Welcome to the lesson on word formation in Sanskrit. In this lesson, we will be learning on how simple words are formed in Sanskrit language using the sounds in Sanskrit. Let's have a look at them one by one. When ga joins with ja and aha, it makes the word gajaha, which means elephant. When kha joins with ga and aha, gives the word khagaha, which means crane. When ja joins with la and it gives the word jalam, which means water. When ka joins with ma, la and it gives the word kamalam, which means lotus. When a joins with ka, sha and aha, we get the word akashaha, which means sky. When au joins with sha, da and we get the word aushadam, which means medicine. Let's have a look at few more simple words. When ma and a join, we get the word me. When gha and aha join, we get the word gaha. Together, we get the word meghaha, which means cloud. When ma and a join together, we get ma. When la and a join together, we get la. Together, we get the word mala, which means necklace. When cha joins with ka and r, we get chakra. When combined with we get the word chakram, which means wheel. Sha and e gives she. Sha and u gives shu. When joined with aha, we get a new word called shishuhu, which means baby. When ma joins with ya and u, we get mayu. Ra and aha gives raha. When joined together, we get the word mayuraha, which means peacock. Sa and I gives sai. Na and e gives ni. Kaha, when joined with sai, ni, gives sai ni kaha, which means soldier. When na joins with ma, s, ta and a, it gives a new word which is na, ma, sta, a. When we join these sounds, we get na, ma, ste. So the word is namaste. When s and wa join with a, ga, ta and we get swa, a, ga, ta, When joined together, we get swa, ga, ta, which is swagatam, which means welcome. Da, N, Ya, Va, A, Da, Aha. Da, Nya, Va, Daha. Together we get the word Dhanyavadaha, which means thank you. Let's have a look at few more simple words. Ka, Ku, Sha, A, Ka, Iksha. Together gives Kaksha, which means class. Ya, Ja, Nya, Aha, Ya, Nyaha makes the word Yajnaha, which means ritual. Pa, R, Va, Taha makes the word Pa, Irva, Taha, which gives the word Parvataha, which means mountain. Thank you for watching this lesson on simple words in Sanskrit. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.